Hey everybody, good morning, Robb Moffett. Today we're going to have for breakfast, among other things, shrimp and cheese tortilla waffle. I made this a couple times this week and they're pretty decent. You get a little cocktail sauce, just a little bit, not much at all. Get you some butterfly fried shrimp. You want to take off the tail, don't you? I tell you, the production values in these videos have gone to pieces, haven't they? I want to speak to the manager. Okay. We're going to smear on the old cocktail sauce. This is Swiss cheese. Made in Switzerland, USA. I don't like it. There we go. That's better. Can you see? Can you see what's going on there? Now, I'm going to press this down for 1 minute till we get a little steam, and then we're going to let Mother Nature take over. So it'll be about 3 or 4 minutes, so you can go walk the dog and come back. There we go. So now we got a little tasty, cheesy shrimp cheese tortilla waffle. That looks terrible. That looks terrible. But it's going to be delicious. I've had these several times now. The cheese went over on the top. It came out on the side, and I flipped it back inside, and it got brown on one side, and it's like a black and white cookie. No, it's not. But it tastes good.